who's ever doubting this business, you just witnessed it right there. Okay, going out to another one. Sounds like I'm pretty sure it's a broken spring because I told him to look up at the springs. And he asked the price over the phone. I told him $789, and he's grateful that I can come out and fix it right away. But he called yesterday. So right away for this guy is the next day. So he called yesterday. I didn't feel like going out yesterday, so I told him I could come today. It was later in the afternoon. So, see, I could set my own times. He asked roughly what does it cost. He was grateful that he's paying $789. See, this is how these people are. They want to pay. That's almost $800. So I'll be going there today, and when I get there, I will definitely turn on the camera. I got my little magnet now that I wear. So this little camera pops off on this GoPro, and it sticks on this magnet here. You can't really see it as much. The other one, I had to wear a big brace thing, and looked like I had a police thing on or something. I don't know how to use this camera as good, but I'm going to be getting better at it, so I'll be doing more videoing. But anyway, I'll get back to you when I get to the job. Talk at you.
So it opens like a tiny, like that much, and then won't go any further than that.
All right. Yeah, I think you do have a broken spring.
Yeah.
He looked at that last night.
Yeah.
So you know all about it.
Do you need more space than this?
No, that's good. Okay, did we put the opener in?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good opener. Yeah, this looks pretty new.
You came in.
The motor looks pretty new.
Yeah. So it's those springs there? Is that what
that's part of the door. That has nothing to do with the opener.
Oh, okay.
That's what lifts the weight of the door.
Got it. Okay.
So let me measure some stuff out, and then I'll be right back. Okay. All right. See, the spring broke up there. Right up there. Broken spring. See the time? 12:10. Right there. This is how far I'm already. Taking me about 10 minutes. I will shoot that in a minute. See up there? They're both new springs. Got them wound up. And let me show you the time. 12:17. So it's 7 minutes. That took me. And then here's the door. Pull this off. Here's the door. Look at this going up all by itself. Nice and balanced. There it is. Door open. Let's go over here. I'm gonna pull the door down halfway. Put it right around here. And then push the button. Got to click on. Here it comes right now. I may have to adjust the opener. But there it goes, going down. Going down like a champ. No adjustments. Thing runs good. I'm all done. So now I'm making out the receipt. Here's the price sheets I go off of. See the double door? $789. I don't know if you can see that, but I keep that in my truck. I write the receipt, 32. Okay, now let's go tell her the price. Hi, I'm all done.
Hi, oh great, okay,
Yeah.
full fix.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I'll show you.
Yeah.
It works, and you can use it by hand now as well.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, just do that. You want me to show you it lifts by hand easy, or?
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, you can see the springs are all new up there.
Yeah, perfect. So it's that part right there.
Yeah, there's two of them up there. There's one on the left, one on the right.
Great.
But if you release it with the cord now, you can lift it easy.
Okay, great.
All right, and then
Yeah. Is check okay?
Yeah, check
Okay,
perfect.
check.
$789.
$789.
Yeah, and you can make it to. Okay, that's your copy, and then you get a lifetime warranty on the springs.
Great.
So if they ever break.
Amazing.
All right.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
All right, you'll close it.
Yeah, I'll close it.
Okay, thanks. So there you go, $789. And that took me all of 30 minutes. Let's see. Right now it's 12:26. So whatever time that was earlier. And they had stuff in the way. So there you go. A 30-minute job, you make almost $800, and they're happy. So who's ever doubting this business? You just witnessed it right there. Talk at you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, take the course, you do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Most people take 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Some people do it quicker and some people do it longer. The guy right now, he's the record. He's like 2 years, he still hasn't passed. Nice guy, talks to us a lot, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you guys too.